Hello guys, welcome to my channel Smart and Easy Tech. In this video I am going to show you how to download and install McAfee free trial version on your PC or Windows. Let's get started. At first you have to open Chrome browser, or any other browser as you wish. In search option, type McAfee free trial and press enter. Click on Free Antivirus Trial Download, McAfee Total Protection. Click on Download Free Trial. Open the McAfee application from Downloads or run as administrator. Click on Agree and install. Wait till the download complete. Wait for installation. Enter any email address for sign up. Click on Activate Now. Click on Take Me There. Now you are able to use the free McAfee trial version. There are many options which make the application easy to use. Now you can scan your PC. Thanks for watching the video. Please like, share and subscribe this video, if it is helpful to you.